From a barren canvas to a breathtaking oasis, you won't believe the transformation we've achieved in our Digital Cascade series finale, where modern luxury meets personal paradise. Welcome back to the final episode of our Digital Cascade build series. Yep, we finally made it to the end of this roller coaster ride. And let me tell you, it's been a journey filled with more twists and turns than a soap opera plot. I mean, who knew landscaping could be so dramatic? But fear not, dear viewers, because even though this is the last episode of Digital Cascade, we're not going anywhere. My team and I are like Energizer bunnies on Red Bull. We'll keep going and going and going. You can expect 2 more videos after this one where we go in depth on our specialty features. Anyway, without further ado, here is Digital Cascade. Now that you guys have seen the completed yard, let's compare what we started with to what we have now. Take a moment to appreciate the transformation, or should I say the magic trick we pulled off here. We started with a dirt patch that was so barren, it made the Gobi Desert look like a botanical garden. But with enough blood, sweat, and tears, mostly tears because landscaping is hard, y'all, we've managed to turn it into something that almost resembles paradise. And speaking of paradise, let's talk about this massive pool we've built. Sure, it's not exactly Olympic size, but it's big enough to splash around in and pretend you're a mermaid. And don't get me started on the sleek, knife-edge design. I almost cut myself just looking at it. Safety first, kids. Built into the pool, an oversized Baja ledge for the kids, which allowed us more room for Baja chairs as well. We have an attached hot tub in the corner along with a circular fire pit. Speaking of fire pits, this yard has another sunken fire pit at the other end of the pool, which gives another warm place to relax. Moving on to the back wall, although we had some design changes that were necessary, in the end it turned out better than the original design. The back wall spans the length of the yard at over 100 feet long, equipped with a lighting system that can put on a show, and a water system that creates a rain-like atmosphere. Oh, and let's not forget about the outdoor kitchen. It's got all the bells and whistles, including a grill that's fancier than my grandma's fine china. And as for the grassy area in the back corner, well, let's just say it's perfect for outdoor activities, like watching grass grow. Riveting stuff, I know. But hey, despite all the challenges, and there were many, we've managed to tick off all the boxes on the client's wish list. From fire pits to Baja ledges, we've got it all. And if you don't believe me, just ask our very satisfied client, who's probably still in shock that we actually pulled this off. And as we bid adieu to Digital Cascade, fear not, we've got more content coming your way. So stay tuned for our deep dive series, where we'll dive into the nitty-gritty details of this project. And if that's not your cup of tea, well, tough luck, just kidding. We've got plenty more shenanigans planned, so hit that subscribe button and buckle up for the ride of your life. Until next time, folks, keep dreaming of lush landscapes, cool and refreshing pools, and perfectly manicured lawns. Or, just hire a professional. Trust me, it's worth it.